In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best natural life coupon codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for natural life coupon code. Right here, you should be able to find the very first website, which is couponfollow.com, and I recommend you to use this one right here. And if you open the website, you should be able to see this list with different types of promo codes. And for example, if you want to get a free shipping, what you'll have to do is select this option right here, show coupon code, and you can select and copy this code in order to get a free shipping on your next order. If you go back to your search right here on Google, you should be able to see also this website, which is simply codes.com. And right here you have also different type of promo codes and deals. For example, uh, if you want to choose, let's see, this one right here with 20% off, all you have to do is select use code right here, and you can copy this promo code in order to get this 20% discount on the next purchase. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.